Regenerative medicine and traditional therapies are distinct in their approaches to treating diseases and injuries. So let's analyze and compare. Let's look into their both approaches in healing. Regenerative medicine focuses on repairing, replacing, and regenerating damaged tissues or organs. Using techniques that includes stem cells, gene therapy, tissue engineering, and biomaterials. It aims to restore normal function rather than just alleviating symptoms. On the other hand, traditional therapies typically involve medication, surgery, and physical therapy to manage symptoms. Halt disease progression or repair damage. For example, joint replacement or drug treatment. So frankly speaking, the focus of traditional therapies is more on treating the consequences of the damage rather than addressing the root cause.